Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Palau created the world's first shark sanctuary on 2009. Do not laugh at people when they are in difficulty or trouble, otherwise, you will lose your personality in a moment. The Martian day is 24 hours, 39 minutes, and 35 seconds long. The Martian year is 687 days long. The Sahara Desert was once a lush green landscape with lakes and rivers. Motorcycles in China are dictated by law to be decommissioned and destroyed in 13 years after registration, regardless of the conditions. These are the same sized cars. Rotate your phone, it's called a Ponzo illusion. Studies say that individuals who could instinctively use sarcasm to tackle a frivolous question have healthy minds. Your tonsils could grow back if there were tissue left behind during the removal process. Sometimes it's accidental, other times it's left on purpose. Turkey vultures use defensive vomit to get rid of any disturbing animal. They can propel their vomit up to 10 feet. In Sedona, Arizona, there are strict sign regulations discouraging the use of bright colors like yellow to preserve the natural landscape. The local McDonald's had to use a distinctive blue color scheme aligning with the city's aesthetic preferences. A woman was elected to the House of Representatives 4 years before women even won the right to vote. Appendix does have a purpose. It stores samples of good bacteria so they can regenerate in your digestive system in case that are wiped out entirely by diseases such as diarrhea. The total weight of all air on earth is 11 quintillion pounds. The Postal Service got its name based on the fact that they originally used USPS to send each other music tracks because of conflicting schedules. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you will do things differently, Warren Buffett. Scientists discovered sharks that are living in an active underwater volcano. Divers cannot investigate because they would get burns from the acidity and heat. In order to carry a positive action, we must develop a positive vision, Dalai Lama. China has a series of underground tunnels running 3,000 miles long. They are used to store and transport mobile intercontinental ballistic missiles. Social tip: never mention someone's sunburn. Trust me, they already know. Earth has a third form of life and it could change how we generate power. In the United States, hospitals can charge up to $700 for an IV bag of sterile salt water, which only cost about $2 to manufacture. Losing weight alters brain activity. Some records show that when women lose weight, their memory improves. Research has also linked obesity to poor memory, most especially those with pear-shaped body types. Residential lawns in the US use up about 9 billion gallons of water every day. In Thailand, if your spouse cheats on you, you can legally sue their lover for damages under Section 1523 of the Thai Civil and Commercial Code. This law allows for compensation potentially up to $140,000 or more to be awarded. In the 1970s, Russian scientists attempted to dig through the Earth's crust with the Kolar Super Deep Borehole project. They reached a depth of 40,318 feet. This borehole remains the deepest hole ever dug by humans. Today, on 27 July 1921, Canadian researchers Frederick Banting and Charles Best successfully isolated insulin, which remains a crucial treatment for diabetes. Want to see if your batteries have some life? Drop them on a table from about 6 inches. One small bounce means they are good. Any additional bouncing around means they are dead or on their way out. This tradition is not just about sitting on floor and eating. It is regarding sitting in the Sukhasan position and then eating. Sukhasan is the position we normally use for yoga asanas. When you sit on floor, you usually sit crossed-legged in Sukhasana or half Padmasana. Several notable creators, directors, and writers for hit shows like Parks and Rec, Bob Burgers, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Silicon Valley, Modern Family, The Good Place, American Dad, and the Rick and Morty got their big breaks on The King of the Hill. In 2007, Gorilla escaped from his exhibit, grabbed and mauled a nearby woman, and then attacked a restaurant. It was later revealed that it was caused by the woman making eye contact and smiling at him several times a week, which zookeepers told her not to do. Clogged drain, try using a natural remedy instead of that chemically store-bought stuff. Pour half cup of baking soda and half cup of vinegar down the drain, cover it with a damp cloth for 5 minutes and then run hot water down it. The longest marriage on record lasted 90 years and 291 days. It ended in October 2016 with the passing of Karam Chand, who married his wife Khatari in 1925. Why do we fall ill? Health means a state of mental, physical, and social well being. Major cause of poor health or illness are the microbes, which are virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoans, and worms. Some other causes of illness include living in polluted environment, drinking unclean water, coming in contact with other ill person. Cure. Thanks for watching.
Sometimes